Hey guys, I got my personal protective equipment on and I removed the fuel tank from under the seat of my Chevy. Hope you can hear me behind the mask. It's always a good idea to wear a mask like this. I found some rat droppings or mouse droppings, and if they dry out, you don't want to catch the hantavirus, and that's a bad one. It can kill you. Anyway, so I got a couple of steel brushes here, and you're going to get to see me scrub for a bit. So I'm going to set the camera down right there, and it's going to get a little loud. Okay, you can see right here, the steel of the floor of the cab is dry right here, but over here it's wet. You can see that's not a shadow, that's water. And that'll cause some really bad rust. So, that hole was cut in the floor for the drain plug of the tank, and then this hole right here was also cut in the floor for the fuel draw. So I'm gonna have to weld those up in a little bit, and there, but you know, a little bit of prep work goes a long way to a better paint job. Over here, some serious surface rust has started right in that area here. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect because it is going to be under the seat. I just need to get it primered today and painted before Tuesday because we have a call for rain. Anyway, that's it for this short 5-minute video. Thanks for watching.